But, yeah.
Well, I see one.
You do?
Here. Well, yeah, but that was just with my eyeball. Okay. We're just waiting for any little ping. See, we got a little ping right here. Let's see.
Oh, there's some tar.
This, you gotta be really right up on it. So in a way, we need a shovel.
Huh.
Now there's gonna be something here. It doesn't ping unless there's something here.
Right. But I'm thinking that the metal detector probably detects deeper than that does, and maybe it's a pipe.
Oh, well, okay, let me try again. Let me try again.
Go a little slower so you can really pinpoint the spot. I think it's more over here.
Okay. I think you're right.
It's a process, huh?
Well, yeah, that's the thing, but you get good at it. But again, I know you don't want your yard all torn up.
I don't care so much.
Oh, you don't?
Not really. I think you're actually moving too quickly.
Okay.
Notice the bar.
Yeah.
Now you see how this is saying depth? That's 4 inches deep.
Sweet. Show that. 4 inches deep.
Oh, it says
Right there.
You see, it says zinc. It knows what kind of metal. Dime.
At 5 inches. So do you want to dig it up?
No. Let's just keep looking.
All right, this is not deep. No, this is 9 inches.
9 inches? I'm less concerned about stuff that's buried for 9 inches deep. I'm more concerned about just stuff that's
Okay.
sitting on the surface that's... See, I wonder if the response time is slower than your sweep time.
Oh, so I need to go slower, you're
I
saying?
think so. I think you should maybe just walk in straight lines, like really slowly, and just...
But if you're not moving if you're not moving enough, then it also won't go. That's something I've discovered. Nice. Keep the movement the same tempo.
So far the stick has been way more...
I know.
Yeah, it's weird. It doesn't really instill confidence. But
Right, it doesn't.